Yeah, man. A little something different, guys. Get ready to go check out this car show. Check it out. Y'all already know it's gonna be so much copyright music out here, but I'm gonna get y'all enough footage so y'all can kind of see what we rocking with. Yeah, man.
What's going on, Kelton? How you doing, bro?
Good, I bro.
Why was that too?
Yeah, not much, man. Checking out
One time, man, Charlie Woods available on all platforms. No one Sarit, you can get that too. Chat Town stand up. I'm amazed at all my talent, man. I love my city. You get a chance to see these cats, man, and they move around the city. They're so talented. You got a lot of humble artists, man.
bro?
But Y'all done tapped in with the right one.
Yeah, man.
We got Sway in the building. Sway performing. My God. Mr. President, Mayor of the city. You see him? Spokesperson for SNS.
Hey, this a Mopar show. So it's a beauty driven by purpose. I like this right here. Now this is clean, plain too. Why about it? How y'all doing? Good. Door. They outside. Yeah, man. Listen. The air on it. Hey, how's it going? What's y'all name?
I am Tasha.
All right.
Also known as Miss Strawberry.
Miss Strawberry, shout out your Instagram.
It's _MISS_strawberry.
What's yours?
Mine is the Cherry M's. Everybody knows me. At Foodie M's. I promote black-owned food businesses in Chattanooga. Music, food, apparel, anything. I'm promoting it.
All right, all right. Y'all make sure y'all get on their channel. Nice food, Hills.
So hold on, before I get started, they said they got some birthday shout-outs. Hold on, let me see who we got there. So we got Aaron Fisher.
Yeah. And this is my lane. Man, it's going hard.
Record this is gonna show up.
All right. Oh boy. Woo!
Hey, you come now.
They gonna get him.
Oh, that's what I'm saying.
They gonna get him. Yo, what you got up in here?
I got 12s. I'm gonna show you my bag.
All right. Oh yeah. Cool. Yeah, tell us what you got up in here. 2 12s and a what is like 1500 watt amp or something like that?
Probably like an 8,000 watt amp.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, cool.
Did it for my cousin. Low-end Kaniki Hughes. Always can't wait until we get just only on my cousin.
All right, that's what's up. Tell us your name.
I'm xSwapsher on Facebook. If you type in TTG Parlay on Facebook. You'll be able to find me.
All right, I appreciate that demo.
Appreciate you.
I'm Poppa T. Nice to meet you.
Poppa T.
All right, take it easy.
So we thank you to the community. I've always thought that the community is one that has a broad base of cars. We all understand the struggle. So there it is. All right. So 3MC, tell me the whole team 3MC. Thank you all for being a part of our community and giving back and putting on this.
Man, Ghostface out here.
See how we grow this thing, man. 20 years down the road. We're gonna start customizing my rubber round. I'm gonna put 2 trails on my rubber round so that I can be able to be compliant on time. Alright. Out of destruction.
Who's trying to buy 6
Hey, how you doing?
All right, go.
Good.
And pull your vehicle down, and one of us is gonna show you where to park because we want to make sure that we take a picture of this momentous occasion for real. So 002, David Ballard, come get your trophy. We'll walk back to your ride and bring it down. Please, no burnouts and don't hit nobody's kids. In the process, we ain't got the kind of insurance.
Honestly, it hurt one of the
We'll be
least
down in
of
front.
my tattoos.
We got insurance. You find yourself in front of the
What up, man? What's happening?
I've been checking you out on the YouTube, bro. Man,
Yeah.
that's a nice show.
Yeah. Big turnout, man.
Okay, get us one down. Get us attention. Okay. You said, I want to see no two. You want to see them two. No, central option. I always want a central. What's the option? My bad. Okay. I'm just asking. All right. This motorcycle. Daniel. Lieutenant Dan, I got ice cream, Lieutenant Dan. Lieutenant Dan, I got ice cream. Ice cream, Lieutenant Dan. Call Lieutenant Dan, so come on. Uh-oh, we got a cop on. Let's get it Daniel.
Stu.
Oh, Ford Ranger. That thing there will run you clean over. Got them BF Goodrich TAs on there. ATTAs. No, that's the best day.
Why is it kind of creative?
Best wrap? Oh, the whole truck wrap? Boy, y'all make it, I was gonna spoil you. And for about 4 sticker, you got sharp on that. You got the miles away, that's the best wrap, okay. Got that purple and green wrap, that's a wrap. It's a wrap. Ain't clean, okay. Huh? We used to do that with Hot Wheels back in the day. It didn't look like that, but you know, it's amazing what you can do with 2 Sharpie pens and a piece of masking tape. It's some imagination, I'm just saying. Boy, quit playing. I fell in love with the photocopy machine. You mean we can take another picture of this and color it the way we want to? One time, the goblin, I mean, he would actually race you. That's nice. Yeah, I ain't never had to do burnouts. He can't ready for the burnout competition. It look like he might send that forward, look. Hey, open the hood on it, bro. So they cow in that night. Okay? Gave it to the son. They hit the son. Can I drive now? Take a picture of the keys.
What's your head?
Yeah.
Are you good?
Listen, make sure you put your arm same. Make sure you keep this thing good. There's going to be my call on there. Shout out, ladies and gentlemen, West Florida, Thomas Edison, David Ballard.
Yo, make sure y'all go and subscribe. He got way more footage of this kind of stuff than I do. Make sure y'all go subscribe to my party. How you doing?
Good, how are you?
Good.
Best interior, 028, Raul, where is he at? Best interior, okay, we're gonna keep it moving. Best motor, 044, David Pinsmore, my dude in the Viper. Best custom paint, 041, Darwin Smith. Best motor was Justin. Best truck, 011, Todd Powell. I heard the clapping, uh-oh. There goes my baby.
Hey, he finna pour down here.
You don't know just how much I like you, girl.
Hey, Jay, you can tell he got a mean truck the way he just walked down.
He right there, they said,
my little truck.
all the more changes was working, I tell you. All that bitch was complaining about this damn cars came the truth. But one second, I'm coming home with the truth. And warm up my damn chicken plate. I'm coming home with it, man.
I wasn't even gonna enter the turn and move. Hey, I was out.
Hey, listen, I was just riding down by there and said, you got a real nice car. I said, I tell you what, I got $25 I got $25 in my pocket, your name on it. I'm taking home some iron. Best truck 011, best domestic Jake Hale 015. Get on deck, Jake Hale, best domestic.
Hi, man.
Most unique 06, Brett Irwin. Woo-wee. That's the last thing that some squirrel, possum, Toyota Prius.
Yo, toddler,
Man,
you gonna ride smooth over your child.
bruh, you know that light bar is like right when you turn around and look. You better not brake check this one. I'm just moving out of the way. I don't even feel right. You play too much, bro. You play.
Boy, I got the car of an adventure.
Man, I got hit on the dirt bike as a kid. I'm still shell shopping.
Hey, David, that throw a little brother.
Bro, this man got to hopped out. He's like, ah. But okay. I don't know, but he got something. Let me see what class this is. Okay. Best motor. Best standard, best Jake Hale, best domestic. You an elephant, yes, a domestic. Good job. Yes, sir. I'll come back to you. Let me find out about this truck. Sir, tell us a little bit about this truck. Here I come with the microphone. Don't go away.
It's in work.
This here ain't nothing but a work truck. I ain't nothing but a damn, it's a hell of a work truck, brother. Jack Hammer, got your own, got your own shirt. It takes a lot of imagination. I see you got your frame notched. Yeah, you got the brake so you can make the frame, you can sit it low. You got the spokes in the back, offset. What year car is this?
37 pickup.
37 Ford pickup, short and frame, Chevy. All right, just making sure. Just make sure to keep you on your part. Tell us a little bit about the motor. I see you got a high-rise intake, dual quad in it. So, what you got?
454, got a 2-speed power guide in it.
Hey, he got 2 speeds on and shit. What's up? He got Bud Light. What? Come on the side. Tell me what you like. Another one. They got a Tom on the side. Ain't that say in the back? What we got in the back? Another keg got there. That's what I'm talking about. Top hat. You got 3 open containers on this vehicle right now.
So they gonna outrace you and outrank you.
He ain't gonna stop. He got 3 open containers. He is not gonna stop. Top Hat Red Rock, man. Y'all clap it up for him. That's an awesome car. So he's able to pancake. That means sit all 4 on the floor. See? There's a difference. There's a difference. Now the motherfucker, he can't even drive the car like that. He ain't gotta drive the car like that. He can let the car up. Yeah, man, let it up. Just, you know, so they know what they're talking about. Best mind. Oh man, he got the nice little bra on the front. You cover it. Yeah, I need one of them, bro. What you made? That look custom made. Bro, you got the little bra on the front, man, to make sure the bugs don't mess up the paint.
I got to, man. Got to take care of the investment.
What all you done? Tell us what all you done to the car.
We got the Parada wheels, full chrome carbon, side skirt, diffuser, front splitter, complete Alpine system, TV in the dash. And that's pretty much it.
Pretty much it.
Build.
And the trunk there. Okay, You want to pop a trunk for us real quick? Pop a trunk. He said, and the trunk bell, so. Pop a trunk. On the count of 3, y'all say, ooh. 1, 2, 3. Ooh. This is an onboard compressor, ladies and gentlemen, with a constant air tank, so he can't get stuck. That just means he'll air up the tank. If he feel like he's gonna let it out, he can just kind of judge by, you know, how he lets, how much air goes out, and he can ride out, even if he doesn't have access, or even if the compressor goes out, he can still flatten it, bring it back up with confidence, no. And then typically, all the way flat, you can still ride. You can't, oh, he done took it out. Hey, that's how you put an alarm on it. You can't steal it, you can't move it. It's mine. That's what I'm talking about. Y'all clap it up for him, ladies and gentlemen. That's mine. Add that thing over there, man. Go on, watch it pull up, watch. Ooh. It's so pretty, look at it, it's just so quiet. It's air ride. They ride like a Cadillac too. Shout out, best mind, ladies and gentlemen. Clap it up for Jason. All right, best new school.
Woohoo! Let that thing go.
Talking in a minute. Ooh, come on down, Papa Smurf. Got the LED chaser lights. Got the bands on the side. Hit it one time, let's hit it. Ooh, we got the bags. Okay, got the pipes. Looks good, brother. Looks nice. Give him a trophy. Come on, step on out and take a snap in one. Yeah, man. Tell us a little bit about your car, man.
2019 skid bag. Still working on skid bags.
What's your favorite mod? What do you like about the car?
The color, honestly.
Okay, Papa Smurf. All right, man. Well, awesome job, man. Thank you for your car, man. Y'all show out to him. Give him a big round of applause. 392 in the building, man. That's nice. Yeah, it's clean. It's clean. All right. Move on to Best Classic 003. Dylan Grant. Bring it on down.
Gotta quench your thirst out here. Make sure y'all go check them out.
Make sure you follow us too on Instagram and Facebook. We got baby showers, birthday parties, all kind of catering.
Awesome, thank you.
Hit us up. There's the straw right there.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Enjoy.
All right, thank you.
Back in 2010, I was bored, I was scared to open people. I couldn't open up. I was window shopping, asking, I was broke as fuck. Dealing from moment, finding change, money low as fuck. I was crushing on whatever, I couldn't fruit for nothing. Bitches look at me saying, oh, I can fuck for nothing. For clothes and shoes for parties, I can pay for nothing. Mama looked at me, said, son, you know from something for real. Mama said, she had all the shit. I'm like that, she spoiled as fuck, she wearing all the trees. She had her friends up in her ear, you need a new dude. She like that, girl, you I be getting shoes. Like that, bitches, got my blessings coming soon. And when they do come true, these dropping songs gon' make the news. Now look, she see me now, she like, damn fool. Back in school, I had that man around my hand, fool. Now he famous, heavy shit, I been my man, fool. I responded, no. Thuggin', go on, can't. You talk, fucker, you supposed to do it's like, and it all, he's a can't. But he back. Almost been, say I go back. I'm watch right here, ain't it? I won't pay him. Stop on no more. Nigga, put on time. That I now told the bitch, Russian. Can't fucking give me suction. Got some 5-5 on the jet, then scratched it off the bucket list. Chocolate rolling, Hershey kiss. I don't walk, I'm sipping tricks. 2K league, we play with sticks. That's what I'ma do. Take me there, they say I go too far. Me and my Draco in this coupe, you can't fit in this car.
Hitting the road? Not all 5G networks are created equal. T-Mobile covers more interstate highways.
Magic City, I'm the owner. Tell Steve Harvey, I don't wanna.